On the 12th of April 2022, credible sources information was received that an illegal consignment of narcotic drugs was being transported via a vehicle Mahindra Bolero bearing the registration number NL04C3516 from Silchar, Assam and proceeding towards Shillong. Immediately, the Anti-Narcotics Task Force, along with the officers and FEW men of Ladrymbai outpost East Jaintia Hills District, Clearyat, set up a NACA and intercepted the vehicle at Ladrymbai. A proper search of the vehicle was conducted in the presence of independent witnesses, and 51 number of soap cases containing yellowish and orange powder were found concealed in a hidden chamber inside the chassis of the vehicle. The suspected powder gave a positive result for heroin and the total net weight was found to be 411.71 grams. Accordingly, the contraband was seized in the presence of independent witnesses. The 3 occupants, including a lady, have been arrested and a case has been registered and investigation is on to nab the other accused persons.